Hi everybody, today's presentation is on how to use Wikihow. What is Wikihow? Wikihow is a website full of how-to guides. It contains step-by-step instructions on how to do things, ranging from how to make a Facebook account to how to cook corn on the cob. The benefit of using Wikihow is the instructions contain lots of details to ensure that the readers are able to follow the guide easily. Wikihow to do anything. Wikihow was created by Jack Herrick in 2005. Jack dreamed of building an extensive how-to manual with accurate, up-to-date instructions on every imaginable topic. Today, Wikihow receives several million readers a month. So how do you use it? First, open up Google, Bing, or your preferred search engine. Then click the search bar and type Wikihow, then hit enter. Or you can type in wikihow.com into your browser. Wikihow's homepage will then show up. It will look something like this. Now you can search for anything you want on the bar. Let's do an example. Would you like to know how to bake an apple pie, but you don't know how? Do the steps from the previous slides and open Wikihow's website. Next, in Wikihow's search bar, type in how to bake an apple pie. See what the search bar looks like. It will then take you to another page that shows multiple links on how to bake an apple pie. You can choose any link you'd like. It shows you when it was created and how many views it has. You have a step-by-step guide on how to bake an apple pie. It shows the instructions and picture on how to bake an apple pie step by step. It also shows all the ingredients you would need. Some how-to guides will include a video for people to follow along. It will also include tips and warnings for you to avoid mistakes. Wikihow also has an app made for mobiles available in the App Store and the Play Store. What's in the app? You can search over 108,000 wiki articles. You can bookmark articles to read and use later, even while offline. You can view step-by-step photos, illustrations, and videos to help you learn. And you could browse various categories and articles for your entertainment. Share articles with your friends on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, email, and text messages. And you can also write articles. Similar to Wikipedia, Wikihow is a volunteer service website full of writers and editors that want to help the world by making hundreds and thousands of how-to guides. How to sign up for an account. If you want to make an account to make your own guide, sign up by filling out the form. Or for an easier sign up, use either your Google account or Facebook account. What can you do with an account? You can approve questions, review tech feedback, fix spelling, approve tips, check categories, and much more. A link is an icon, graphic, or text that links to another file or page when you click or tap it. A site is a collection of related network web resources, such as web pages, multimedia content. A search engine is a website where people can search for internet content, for example, Google, Bing, Yahoo, and more.
So I click on the first link and type in anything I want to do. For example, how to bake a cake. And here are all the one. Here are the ingredients. And here are the steps with pictures. And all the steps, and that's it. It's a pretty simple website, and you can also create an account in the top right corner where it says login and any account, like for example, Facebook or Google. Thank you.